The entire machinery complex is manufactured from medical-grade 316L stainless steel, featuring mirror-polished surfaces and a modular design that fully complies with the International Good Manufacturing Practice, or GMP standards, which is a mandatory requirement for entering the regulated pharmaceutical markets of ASEAN countries. Tsibulskii does not simply sell equipment, but provides a turnkey business transformation, including the calibration of the encapsulated formulas, the optimization of the Carrageenan melt, and the intensive training of local engineering teams to ensure that the facility operates at peak performance from day one. In the context of Southeast Asia, where the hot and humid climate can often pose challenges for gelatin-based products, Carrageenan capsules offer superior thermal stability and a longer shelf life without the need for expensive climate-controlled logistics, which makes this technology a strategic asset for distributors in Indonesia and the Philippines. As we look at the demographic shifts in Thailand and Vietnam, where health-conscious consumers are increasingly seeking vegan and non-GMO options, this plant-based encapsulation technology provides the only viable path to capturing the high-end wellness market. The economic argument is undeniable when you factor in the 90,000 units per hour output combined with the massive savings on shell material and the elimination of a large manual workforce, which allows manufacturers to achieve a return on investment in record time. Tsibulski's involvement ensures that the transition to this new technology is smooth and scientifically grounded, as he brings years of expertise in international logistics and pharmaceutical equipment analysis to every project he undertakes. By adopting this technology, manufacturers in the Southeast Asian region can finally move away from the limitations of bovine and porcine gelatin, addressing the needs of more than 240 million Muslims in Indonesia alone, while also appealing to the global vegetarian and vegan movements. The high energy and dynamic nature of this production environment mirrors the rapid economic growth of the region, and with Tsibulski's guidance, companies can now implement a future-proof strategy that balances cultural sensitivity with high-performance industrial output. In conclusion, the integration of Malaysian Carrageenan with advanced machine vision and GMP-certified stainless steel engineering creates a synergy that is unmatched in the current market, providing a clear path to leadership in the pharmaceutical sector across Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, and the Philippines, while setting a new global standard for halal-compliant manufacturing excellence. This is not just a machine. It is a comprehensive technological ecosystem designed to produce the highest quality soft gels with zero waste and maximum profit, ensuring that the legacy of fair and efficient production continues to grow under the expert supervision and training provided by Tsibulskii in every corner of the Asia-Pacific region. Every component of the line, from the heaters to the conveyor systems, has been stress-tested to operate in continuous 24/7 cycles, allowing for massive scale-up operations that can meet the needs of the largest international pharmacy chains and supplement brands. The precision of the thin-wall technology also allows for the encapsulation of a wider range of bioactive oils, including sensitive omega-3s and herbal extracts, which are prone to oxidation in thicker, less stable shells. With this system, the manufacturer gains total control over the physical properties of the capsule, including its elasticity, transparency, and disintegration time, providing a level of customization that was previously impossible with standard equipment. This technological leap forward is the key to unlocking the true potential of the halal pharmaceutical market, providing a clean label product that consumers can trust and manufacturers can produce with pride and efficiency.